right?
I can see both of you.
Okay.
But I can't
Like
see
this thing is
Manando.
simple, no man. Why are we
For real.
stressing about things that doesn't even add value into our lives? If you're using support and resistance is working for you, continue using it. If you're using Nandi, you get the laptop here, man. Like the things that we are using, Stacey, we can never trade the same. Do you
Yeah,
understand? Like
yeah.
if auto blocks is your thing, keep using it.
I think I
Like
should
the thing
leave,
is
then join
yeah, you
again,
call
because
them.
like I can't see
People who are
Manando.
trading smart money, they say we are retail
Yeah.
traders, yeah, you get laptop, we are this, we are that. But that as long as I'm putting food on the table, hi, let me switch on the laptop, see something. I think this will be interesting, but I won't be long here.
The truth is so guys. And that's why there was a time whereby I was saying if people are using Falcon and it's working for them, leave them. Don't make jokes about Falcon being wrong while
You,
people in Falcon are making money.
we don't empower each other, we like make each other fools, you know?
That's the problem. That's the
Let
problem.
each other fools. Someone will be mocking you based on how you trade. If you're making
True.
hard, like we can't be. No, I'm not interested on being the best trader. As
Thank
long as
you.
what are the benefits of you saying you're the best trader? Like, trading is not like in class. Mo le goreng there is top 3. No, I'm, I'm I can't, I can't be. People would say, trend line this, trend line that. The same trend line, Stacey. There are those who are put FX Gold. I'll show you with FX Gold. FX Gold, they're trading trend lines. FX Gold makes the biggest moves in SA.
Thank you. And they're making money, those ones.
You
It's
know,
it's, it's
when I
no
talk,
no
people,
guys, they're making
people
a
are
whole
like,
lot of money.
times, né? Like I was saying, you can't keep selling. You can't keep saying to me, Manando, you are a retail trader, 5-6. But then, like, you never made your first 50K. Like, at least someone who made their first 50K, they're the ones who can tell me, yo, this, you know. And I'm always willing to learn. Like, you see, I love Masus. I love Marco, you understand?
Yeah.
Marco, I've learned a lot from Marco. I've learned a lot from a lot of people. Like I'm that person when we live and you're explaining, I'll learn from you, you know. That's a good thing. Learning is a good thing. But then like I won't bash you, understand? Like stop,
Mm.
we should stop this thing of like hating each other. Ejogure, I've never had doctors fighting. Forex traders, yes.
Yeah. You
Yo.
know, and if there's one thing I always preach, man, and I think you've been in a lot of lives with me, right? When there's fighting involved, I always ask, but why are we fighting if we are actually trading the same market? Why are we not empowering each other? Why do we have to actually take each other's strategies down while they work for us? If you're
Mhm.
trading this, let it be your thing. And if people want to learn your thing, let them learn your thing and do not bash others and then you're just pulling everything just down and you go like you know if there's some level of respect I have for everybody, even those I don't know if they are good in trading or not. Why? Because one day they're the ones who are going to save you from your doom. Manando, if you go to a strategy that's not going to come to you and you take 2 years of it work, then what?
Nangana stress sa order block.
Then what? So,
Oh.
the thing is, oral blocks have a lot. The thing is, different institutions, they teach them with a lot of stuff. That's why I'm like, with me, the information is based on this. Then there's this other people who are basing it on that one. There's other people.
Mhm.
So, we're all trading order blocks. It's just that we understand them differently. Now, there'll be people coming in and going like, yeah, so your order blocks are wrong. But what you don't understand is that
Yeah.
our research says this about the order blocks.
Mhm.
Yeah, like, trading is hard. Man, being a Muslim is very hard.
Now I feel like what I've seen through other like there's a guy they say it's Mint FX. I've been following, checking their strategy, observing it, and I'm a Falcon student. What I see when it comes to auto blocks, I just see break and retest a lot of time. Like the things that happen there are the things when someone is trading the smart money and they say, okay, Manando, this is how it's done. I can see that, oh, this guy is talking about the correction in different terms to mislead each other.
Ish.
You understand? Okay, it's a simple correction. One calls it a different way, you know, just for the next
Yeah.
person to think that like no one is better. Like I mean, Gauteng, there's no king of Gauteng in Forex.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no like flopper. We give ourselves credits. You understand? God, I'm the king of Joburg. So if you're the queen,
That's
you're the one.
true.
Are we-
Yeah.
So guys, somebody joined. Let me see younger, right?
Who is Atula?
I'm going to derive from Forex a bit, right? So this girl, like right here, sold me the game. So she's very young, guys. She's very young. She's very independent. She's still doing her matric, but she can order this hair to come to you. So I wanted to get her today so that you can see who actually gave me this nice hair. There's there's so it's she said she sells Vietnamese. It's really good, guys. You can follow her. But I can see that her network is really bad, so she won't say anything. We're gonna go
Yeah.
back to yeah. But
I'm
she's
very
the
shy.
one who
Hello, everyone.
oh,
Hi.
your network is really bad. No, your network is really
So,
bad.
no problem.
Your network is really bad, so it's fine. Let's
we can
get back to trade.
we can never approach the market the same way, you know.
Yeah. It's like in school when they teach you maths, guys. We all have a different concept of what is solve for X. They might teach us the very same thing in a group. But then when we have to solve for X, there's those ones who are going to use a different strategy to solve it. And there's those ones who are going to be very confused. And then there's those ones who are going to use the very same method.
Yeah,
So
that's
even in trading, yeah, you see charts
electron.
very different.
I wanted to analyze the chart using the strategy I use, and then Stacey add someone who's on the smart market, and then like it's not a competition or what. I just want to see how we do things. Like we get the same,
Mm-hmm.
we get the same direction, but then they decorate the way of doing things. But the things dated or the what they would want off
Yeah.
a lot of things. I don't know why this thing is taking time. Nandi, level laptop.
You are Ashem. We still have a long way. More Forex, honestly.
As
Because
long
I
as
look all blocked
My
in.
my
as long as the correct traders still hate each other, no?
my advice to it's stay away from Instagram because the traders fight.
Yeah.
Just because when you're in Instagram, under the go to the Falcon is the way. Marco would pay the smart money. Someone would support the resistance is the future.
Yeah.
Stay
That's why I always say just what you know, honestly. Just because there's always going to be somebody who wants to say something about your strategy. If it works
Yeah.
for you, just like, yeah, if it works for you, just run with it.
away.
Utlwa le gore Manando o berekisa Falcon, because another thing is gore Manando uses this, Stacey uses this, then you want to go for that, and then like at the end of the day you become confused. Yeah.
Check. You know what type of a person I am. I use trend lines, right? Yeah, everyone say trend lines. But if someone has smart money, whatever, I do learn few things, and if I them and they work in my favor, it means
Malak,
that
before you go, please,
like
somebody says smart money, it's more accurate. Trend lines ain't accurate. Smart money, but we make money both ways. My guy, let me tell you, if trend lines were not so accurate, I don't think people would look up to Manando. See, the problem is you don't know how to use trend lines the way Manando knows how to. And Manando might not be able to use smart money concepts the way you are
let me
using smart money concepts.
call my brother Andy Lee from FX Gold for real motivation, real inspiration.
You
That,
are my favorite person. Call him
yeah,
to
like
come. I know he's going
I
to
have
come.
I have people that I look up to, right? Like FX
Mhm.
Gold, they're using
I met I met
so
Andy. We sat on a table. We spoke. That guy is very humble. Guys, you wouldn't even tell the Forex trade. That guy is humble.
this thing is simple. Like we call those who motivated us. You know, those guys made the biggest moves. So when they
Yeah.
just
And Emmanuel, they're very nice. They're very, they don't earth. No, guys, I've met the FX Gold
And
team.
another thing is they're
Out
actually
of
always
control.
in their own lane.
Stacey, they're using some they're using trend lines, but then they have
Yeah.
a lot of things to those who claim smart money. So what does that say about you? You can't tell about accuracy. You understand? Like,
Yeah.
how you gonna tell me about accuracy when the guys have achieved a lot? Do you understand? Guys, some
Yeah.
respect each other. You can't say trend lines are not working the balance of 2,000 rand. Like, sorry to say this, I'm not disrespecting anyone, and just respect each other. For you to lines these trends, make sure you're trading smart money way and you have like 500K. Because that's the only way I'll listen to you. Do you understand? Like, but Stacey, I told Marco last, I said, Marco, people are busy. They are with you. They're saying we are retail, we are retail. Okay, it's fine. We are retail traders. Marco, you're a millionaire, but the person who's telling me that I'm a retail doesn't even have 10K. Like, it doesn't make sense. If you're preaching smart money concept, make sure that you're making money out of it. Don't be just learning the concept, then come here and say trend lines don't work. Like, that's how simple it is.
Yeah.
For you to say trend lines, make sure you're good. Let's respect each other. Just make sure you're good.
I mean, my friend, please do not disrespect the Forex trader, guys.
Yeah, nah,
Today I can
it's
lose
not a
money.
problem.
Tomorrow I can become a millionaire.
Stacey, today I made I funded 10,000. I made 22,000. I can show it live. Let the smart money boy come and show it live right now. I can show you. Let's do it Friday. I made a withdrawal of 40,000. I can show it now. This is my laptop. I'm waiting for you to be on. Like, let's just
Yeah.
respect each other. Let's respect each other. Yeah.
I'm not about, Manando, if there's one thing about me, right? I don't like proving a point because if I start proving a point, people keep quiet. They no longer make noise on the internet.
It's not proving. It's not proving a point at all. You understand? It's just a matter of showing it. You understand? Because you just talk. People are praising smart money. I won't disrespect them. But then for you to come and tell me fact trend line, at least show me that you have made like 22K, 30K, 40K, 50K. Yeah, respect you.
Yes.
Say fuck trend lines.
Yes, yeah, guys.
So,
Finally,
Manando, would you say people who are using pure price action make money more than people who are using smart money?
No, I'm not saying that. You're saying that.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying that.
I'm asking you. Now I'm asking you.
Achilles, yeah.
I'm
Let's
saying.
see if it's going to come.